Patchy fog. I'm going to start you out with a look out at Klamath Falls, where you can see some of those patchy areas. Visibility in a few places looking at about 1/4 of a mile, but notice 24 this morning. It is a bit chillier than yesterday. Also into our west side valleys, we're waking up into the 30s this morning, so maybe just a few extra layers heading out the door. Besides seeing some patchy areas of fog into our valleys, we're seeing high level clouds stream their way through. Skies may look a little bit brighter this morning, but we are expecting that next storm system to move in. That's going to bring increased cloud coverage throughout your day and the possibility for some showers later along the coast. So here's where those highs will be sitting. We have 55 for Medford, 50 for Klamath Falls, 53 for Wairika. Lakeview, you'll be at 52 today. Brookings, 54. Like I mentioned, it is going to be a bit on the mild side, but something that's been different from the past few days. Winds do pick up a little bit, especially into the Christmas Valley and over into Lake County today, but nothing too concerning. What we do have our eye on is tomorrow, especially into the Shasta Valley. With that system moving through, it is going to pick up those wind gusts. You can see them anywhere from about 35 to 40 miles per hour, and then we can expect another breezy day east side, but not quite as strong as the Shasta Valley. So if you are heading out for your Valentine's Day weekend, you can expect to see some morning showers on your Saturday. Sunday, if you're over into Lake of the Woods for Winterfest, we'll keep an eye on the past travel then, because it does look like it could get a little bit worse than Saturday. I'm not looking at any too big concerns for your Saturday. Maybe some slick spots to higher passes in the morning, but Saturday's still going to be a great day for pass travel. Sunday looking a little bit worse. But let's talk about timing today. Notice that clouds are increasing in mostly cloudy skies west side throughout your day. As we switch into the afternoon, that's when we introduce some light shower chances along the coast. It does pick up as we switch into the overnight hours, and then it becomes a little bit steadier. Could be a bit heavier at times for those coastal areas, and then we'll kind of see it work its way inland. But notice better chances to see that wet weather is going to be west of the Cascades, but we still have that possibility for some showers east side and into Siskiyou County. But by the time we're late into tomorrow morning in the afternoon, things are drying out. Still could possibly see a stray shower along the coast. But as we switch our way back into your Sunday, activity ramps right back up. And the best chance for rain is definitely going to be over to the west and into western Siskiyou and southern Siskiyou County. We still do have that possibility throughout your day, areas inland. Notice that we switch later into the night. Activity really does pick up, and that's what we're keeping an eye on for next week, especially when it comes to pass travel and also when it comes to those lowering snow levels, which we'll touch on in just a second. So for your Saturday, most of that rain is going to be coming along the coast. Gold Beach may be reaching a little too far. Expect anywhere from about 1/4 to about 3/4 of an inch. Light areas inland. When it comes to that snow, maybe 1 to 3 inches towards Crater Lake for your Saturday, but nothing concerning trace and coating elsewhere. Now, next week, we have colder air moving in, and it is going to drop those snow levels quite a bit as we switch into next week. So we're keeping a very close eye on your Tuesday, because we could possibly see some valley snow. But when it comes to that travel, it's not looking great for the passes. I'll talk about that in a second, but your 7-day for the coast, it is going to be rather wet next week. Northern California will see rain and snow, especially the Mount Shasta area. And your long I-5 into the next week, it does look like it is going to deteriorate. The Klamath Basin, temperatures into the 30s by next week. Past travel, especially your Monday and Tuesday, not looking great. Over into the Rogue Valley, temperatures do drop next week. Have the possibility for maybe some valley snow into your Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll make sure to keep you updated.